Alright gang, this is a 82 This is a 82 Chevrolet dually, obviously, pickup truck. This is what Texas is all about. We'll start, I guess, here in the back because, well, I'm back here. Look at the bumper on that with big places to tie onto to pull jokers out of the mud and this and that. Gotta have your rebel bumper sticker, and we'll just go on and get by this other bumper sticker that's political. But yeah, look at that. Well, you can pull your boys out. You don't have to worry about backing up over somebody, and there you go, right? So this thing's a beast. This thing is that hole there. That's where you can put a ball and carry like a gooseneck trailer. If you don't know what that's about, ask somebody. Then he's got some extra stuff over here that allows the lights to work for the gooseneck trailer. Of course, no cowboy truck would be complete without a nice toolbox. So he's got a nice deep toolbox. This is from back in the day. This is got some nice mud tires on there, and these nice running boards to where even your fanciest girl can get up in here with you. Now you got to pardon the dashboard just a bit. He's still working on it, my buddy. But you got to have some nice 6x9s in the door. Somebody's gonna get a chuckle out of this by all means. Look at that. You got to have the ball to be able to turn the steering wheel. Look at that. And now, what you don't see anymore because of thieves and this and that, is a gun rack in the back windshield, the back dash, the back window. And if you don't know what that's about right there, yeah, it don't look like much, but that, by golly, holds your cowboy hat. It holds it upside down to where it doesn't get broken or crunched or whatever. This is a real cowboy truck. Now, this is no punk because it's got all the beef under the hood. That right there, behold, gentlemen. That is a 454 with a big high-rise intake. Oh no, it doesn't. It's got the modified carburetor. This is the old school goodness right here, boys. The old school goodness.
Ready for ignition?
I'm sorry?
Are you ready for ignition?
Oh yeah. We're gonna fire this dog up. You ready? Here it goes. Now what? Whose truck starts like that? It turned over one time. We got a little lope to it even. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. That's the way it should start, eh? The old, good old equipment right there. That's the electronic distributor. So you don't have to deal with all the points and stuff. That's what old school muscle is all about right there, boys. The minute they get in your way, you got a little push guard on the thing. Awesome piece of equipment. Awesome piece of equipment. Woo! Fire in the hole, boys. Fire in the hole. Alright, guys. I guess that's it. I just wanted to show off my buddy's truck. It's just a good old truck. Good old dually truck. They don't make them like this anymore. They had real metal in there back in the days. Notice here, look. That's a gas door, right? Okay, we're going to take a little walk around, and we'll see what we see on the other side. Chevrolet, boys, Chevrolet. What's that? Another gas door? That's the way they roll back in the days, boys. That's the way they roll, because that big engine uses a lot of fuel. All right, guys. Let me get out of here. Good old stuff from way back in the day. Somebody out there is gonna get a chuckle. See y'all next time. Like, comment, subscribe, blah, blah, blah. You know the drill. Adios.